What's up, guys? Today I'm going to finish machining the core here. I have the top part mounted to the lower part of the core, and I'm going to finish the whole thing as an assembly now. So first, I finished down here as a single piece, and then yesterday I pulled the job off the machine, mounted this top part on, and we're gonna finish it all as one single assembly, and then we won't have a stitch line between the lower part and the upper part. So I'm going to start using a 2-inch diameter roughing head, and we'll start making some chips. Fresh inserts in our 2-inch cutter. Let's go load it up with the machine. Okay, I got fresh inserts on my tool. I'm using a 2-inch die-jet SKG2 or SKSG2. Now I'm going to call the tool up and laser it. Plane reset, turn the B-axis to 0. I put a shorter tool in there, so now I have to go into the tool table and adjust my length before I laser it. Okay, go to 4, length, change that to 6. Length set. Sorry for the horrible quality. Somebody cleaned the window with the wrong solvent and dulled the glass. go take a peek in the machine and see what we got. Obviously, it should match the stock model. There we go. You can see the part starting to emerge from the stock. And this will all blend into the finished surfaces down at the bottom. The next step that I'm going to do is repeat the first step and rough each side individually until I get a fully roughed out model, and then I'll do a 5-axis Z-level finishing pass along the whole entire tower. I'll probably put the GoPro in the machine for the finish pass to show you guys that. Keep an eye out. I won't get to it today, so you'll probably expect that to happen in a few days. But that's all I have for today, so thanks for watching.